Hey babes, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to my channel. So guys, check it out. Today, this is our Five Below Series 5, okay? Five Below perfumes, and we're on Series 5. I didn't come back, y'all. It's Father's Day today, so I am actually sacrificing, and I am actually putting a video up. Thank you so much, honey. So I am actually sacrificing and putting another video up for you guys, and I wanted to be able, because I don't want us to get through a whole week without giving you some series or anything like that. So this is Series 5. We are in Series 5, and I have tons and tons more perfume that I need to be able to get out. Bae just sent me this because, girl, I done went to Bath and Body Works and I done grabbed 2 more, okay? So this is the one I was telling you guys in Series 4, the last one, Chasing Fireflies. Bae loved this one, so I got him this for Father's Day as well. And a couple of other items, okay? A couple of items, the other things. But me, I don't have Meet Me in Miami, so I wanted to get me Meet Me in Miami, guys. I know this is not about this, but y'all just saw him hand me the bag, so I want to let you know. I went back, okay? And this smells so good. So I'm pretty sure the ones who know about Meet Me in Miami, if you know, you know, girl. If you don't, then the fragrance notes is breezy palm trees, cabana, coladas, and suntan days. I don't know what suntan days smell like, okay? But anyway, so let's go ahead on and get into the video. Actually, if you still want to know, Bath and Body Works still has their $3.95 going on. If you want to know, they still got that going on. So this right here is Series 5 of our 5 and below perfumes, $5 dupes, okay? So this one I have today is actually Mysterious Beach. So y'all know Britney Spears perfumes, a lot of them has rhinestones on the bottle. Girl, I was like, you know what, give me some ideas, okay? And this is how it looks. The bottle is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, she's cute. She's a cutie. And what it is on the bottle, she has hearts on her. You see the hearts? Y'all, forgive my nails. I know I need some lotion, and all this lotion I will. Listen, I just got in here, and I just wanted to get this series out to you guys. So please, don't judge me, okay? Just enjoy the video. So this is what it looks like. If you can see close up, this is so beautiful. So beautiful. This is what it's a green. Oh, it's a green top on there. Well, it's turquoise blue, and you know the sprayer is green. They have like this little decorations going around it, and if you see, it's hearts. But y'all, I have one that I got from Rainbow before, which is Mysterious with glitter. Y'all, I put on the put. Now this is one I've been had for a while. I put and I only use a little bit. I put rhinestones all on it. As you can see, I will be putting rhinestones on all of my bottles that I have that look like Britney Spears, because it's really pretty. It's really girly and really nice and dainty. So that's what I like. Okay, so let's see how many full ounces is in here. This is a 3.4 full ounce, which is 100 ml. And the brand is by Mirage, M-I-R-A-G-E, I'm believing. So the top, if you can hear it, really plasticky. This is the bottle. The bottle is glass. So I want to go ahead on and let you see the sprayer and go ahead on and spray this so we can see what this smells like. Oh my goodness, wow. Why does it smell like kiwi? This smells like oh my goodness, y'all, this smells good. Oh, I don't know if I don't have the real Britney Spears Island Fantasy, but baby, if it smells anything like this, I'm with it. This smells good. $5, girl. This smells really good. It smells like what's that note? Anyway, oh, it smells like cantaloupe a little bit. And melon, or honeydew melon. Anyway, let me go and get to the notes of what's in Britney Spears Island Fantasy. She has the notes of clementine, mandarin, orange, red berries, and watermelon and jasmine. And it came out in 2013. So that's fairly old. But let's go ahead on and get into the notes of what's in this girlie right here. So what's in Mysterious Beach? She smelled good, y'all. Oh my goodness, she smells so good. So this is, like I said, 100 ml, 3.4 full ounces. And this says, wait a minute, what did it say? This size offers you plenty of your favorite sensual scent to include in your daily routine, such as in the morning, before work, after the gym, date night, and more. Yes, y'all, I love this. So it say the top notes are watermelon, citruses, clementine, mandarin, orange, and red berries. The middle notes is freesia, violet, and jasmine. Base notes is sugar cane and musk. I'm believing that all of this is inside of Island Fantasy with Britney Spears. And I'm going to tell you, I don't know what Britney Spears Island Fantasy smell like, but baby, this right here smells good. This really smells good. Honey, this smells good. Let me spray this on my arm. This really smells good. Let it calm down a little bit because, of course, I have a little alcohol smelling. So, oh, I'm in love. You can smell the watermelon. You can smell the citrusy smell. This smells like a calm, fruity floral. Yes, this smells really good. Let's see. They have violet and jasmine. Let me see if I can smell any of the violet. I smell the jasmine. Mandarin orange. I don't know if I smell a mandarin orange. I'm probably smelling it, but it smells, this right here smells really good, y'all. So if you ever can get your hands on this, get your hands on it. It smells really good. And I'm going, like I said, I'm going to go ahead on and deck them out with the rhinestones like I did this one right here. And this one right here, girl, this smells so good. This one right here is the Mysterious Glitter. This smells good as well. So Five Below is duping these and carrying, well, they're not duping them, but they're carrying duped products, okay? Because we don't want to get into the habit of saying Five Below is duping. Five Below is not duping. They are carrying because this brand is made from My Reg. And I'm going to tell you, this is what the box look like. And it smells amazing. It really smells amazing. So I'm going to spray it in the box. Y'all, I smell good. I will wear this. Get down. Let's get past the alcohol. It's a little alcohol smell when you first spray it, y'all. But the dry down is powerful. It's airy. And it is, it smells like you're on a beach. It smells like you would want to be on a beach. A tropical beach, okay? One where they had tropical stuff. Yeah. I can get with this. Amazon is trying to get $9 and change for this perfume right here. And eBay is trying to get $8 from here. Girl, what? Five Below, okay? Go to Five Below and grab this perfume. This perfume smells really, really good. It smells like you're on a beach, you know, or you're getting ready. You know how a beautiful sunny day and it's beachy, like, you know what I'm saying? You know, you just tropical. You just, you know, it's airy. This is airy, sweet, fruity, like, you know, but subtle. It's very subtle, like, you know, it sneaks up on, you know, because you wouldn't expect it to smell like this in this bottle. You wouldn't expect it to be something that smells delicious. This smells delicious. It smells very laid back, like, you know, you chill, you on chilled. It smells island, it has island, like tropical island beach, like the water is clear. I'm not talking about like the beach and you go in there and the water, you can't even see your feet. I'm not talking about that kind, okay? I'm talking about the kind where though it's clean, okay? Because this smells clean, like a nice, clean, fruity smell. But it's very, very, very subtle and subtle. Powdery though, y'all. It's powdery. I do believe that this is a powdery scent, but I think you will probably get like maybe a couple of hours from this right here. For $5 you would have to respray. Okay, you would have to respray, but it smells really good. It doesn't smell like a $5 perfume to me. Yeah, it doesn't smell like a $5 perfume. So if you want to get your hands on something, girl, get your hands on this Mysterious Beach, okay? And this is, I don't know how Britney Spears Island Fantasy smell, but I know that this smells good. One day I will probably get that and I will smell it to find out if this is what it smells like. But right now, all I know is that I have myself a blind buy perfume that smells really good to me, and I am going to ride with it, okay? I'm not going to fuss. It's $5, and I'm not going to complain. This is what she looks like. Very, very beautiful. This is the top. Very beautiful. Look at these. I love these bottles. These are just her signatures, you know, the roundness, the round bottles with, you know, the little glitters and stuff on it. Girl, I'm glitter. Rhinestone. I'm gonna rhinestone all my bottles, believe that. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here. And like I said, y'all, I just came here. I was not gonna do a video today, but I said, you know what, I got to give my ladies, my girls, a video because I wanted to do one yesterday. I wanted to keep them going, you know, series 1 the next day, series 2 next day. So I couldn't do that because, girl, listen, I got busy. Also, it's Father's Day. So when I just got back in, we went out to eat. I came back because I wanted to give you all this. Anyway, guys, I'm getting ready to get out of here. Y'all be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.